Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rick here, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of the RAZER RIPSAW HD. This is pretty new, and it's going to be making its way to stores relatively quickly here. You can pick it up straight from RAZER, or you can even get it at your local GameStop or GameStop online right now. It's going to run you about $159. This is a capture card pretty much geared for streaming and game capture. Of course, you can use it for other things as well. Now, kind of in my quest here, I've kind of made the leap to 4K gaming, and so I'm looking for something with a 4K pass-through, and this has it. It is not an internal capture card, and sure, there are solutions out there for that. But I think that this is intriguing in itself because when you think about an external capture card, and I will get to unboxing it in a minute, really this is going to try to compete with something like this, the Elgato HD60S. And at the $159 price point, it comes in right around the same price as the Elgato. Sure, you can get this on sale for about $10 cheaper, depending on when you look, but at MSRP, the HD60S by Elgato actually comes in a little bit more. And I'm going to do a size comparison to that HD60S in this video. I will also show you something I've been testing as of late as the Hauppauge, and this is the HD PVR 60 Pro. It's a little bit different because it does take SD cards, so you can record with or without a PC, but there are sacrifices there. I'll get kind of to that in a different video. But here is the box that the RIPSAW HD is going to come in, of course, with that kind of iconic green and black that RAZER has been made famous for. And you can see all the details here. You're going to be able to get 1080p 60 frames per second HD video. And then it's got that, what I'm looking for here is the 4K 60 frames per second pass through. No, it does not pass through HDR. I'm not aware of anything from an external perspective that does that yet. If you guys are, let me know in the comments down below. It's also going to have the mixing for your audio capabilities on the front of the device, and it supports HDMI 2.0, and it's got a USB-C connector on it that you're going to see here in a minute. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I will show you what you get inside of the box. First and foremost, you are going to get this kind of a welcome letter, I would say, from the co-founder of RAZER here. More about that later. We'll pull this out, and I'm going to open this up and set this aside. We'll take a look at that in a moment. That's the capture card here. And let me go ahead and pull this open. We've got the RIPSAW HD manual. It kind of talks through, oh, there's some stickers there, so that's pretty cool. I like those stickers. They're really kind of cool. And it's almost that, almost like a Dayglow green and black. Looks pretty slick. But this is going to tell you all the specs, and it's going to tell you how you can hook it up, the different ways that you can hook it up, and all of those sorts of things that you see right there. Going ahead and setting that aside, let's go ahead and try to pull this piece out because I believe we've got some cables and whatnot. Let me go ahead and set that box aside here, and we'll crack this guy open and see what we get on the inside of this box. Yep, sure enough, we've got some cables here. First things first, this would look to be, yep, an HDMI cable. And that's kind of cool. If you can catch it here, we've got some RAZER branding. So a lot of times, and there's your HDMI connector, and it's the same on both sides, but a lot of times with these HDMI cables, they're just kind of generic. So it's kind of cool that they've got some RAZER branding there. We'll set that aside, and then for our other package here, there are a couple of cables here. I thought it was one, but let me go ahead and well, I'll leave these tied together. But there are a couple of cables here. It looks like we have an audio cable right there. And then we've got a USB-C to USB connector right there. So that's kind of cool. They did it green. So pretty neat there. Now, let's take a look at the actual capture card itself, because there it is. And you've got that RAZER branding right along the top side. This is really small. I said I was going to do a size comparison, and let me show you. The Elgato HD60S in comparison, there's your size difference. This might sit a little bit higher. It's definitely square in shape. This is more rounded, but they're pretty small. And this is what it's going to look like. So we've got all enclosed on the sides. Here along the front side, we've got a little area there. You might catch it, and I'll power this thing up later in a separate video and show you all the details. But you've got a microphone as well as your headphones. That's that audio mixer that I talked about. And then along the back side, we have HDMI in and out, and then your USB-C port. Along the bottom, it's a rubber footer all the way around, so pretty cool. Okay, so that is your quick unboxing look at the RAZER RIPSAW HD. I'm going to go ahead and put it through the paces over the next few days here. Be on the lookout on this channel here because I've got video footage coming not only about the RIPSAW HD, but also about that Hauppauge that I kind of briefly showed here to give you an idea of the different types of footage that you can capture from these devices. I gotta admit, I'm really excited about this one. And it feels quality in the hand. I mean, this isn't made out of metal. It feels like a harder plastic, but it feels pretty solid to me. I've seen other YouTubers already say it feels cheap. I don't think so. It feels pretty good in the hand to me. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If there are specific systems and or games that you'd like me to run through the paces on these capture cards, let me know as well. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.